Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to leave a group on Snapchat step by step. So if you want to exit a Snapchat group chat quickly and easily, this video will help you. So let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Now go to the chat section. Here, find and open the group chat that you want to leave. Once the group opens, tap on the group name or profile icon at the top of the screen. Now scroll down through the group options. Here you will see the Leave Group option. Simply tap on Leave Group. After that, Snapchat will ask you to confirm. Tap on Leave Group again to confirm. Once you do that, you will successfully leave the Snapchat group chat. And that's it. This is how you can leave a group on Snapchat easily. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.